welcome to everyone watching our video. Today we are here at the Botanic Gardens located in Durban for our geography assignments with me and my group members. Today we are going to be looking at the wetlands. Here we have different types of wetlands, as we know. We have mainly marshes, swamps, fogs, fens, mangroves and prairie holes. But here specifically, we consider this wetland as a marsh. This is due to different kinds of reasons. The first reason is because it has shallow standing water. As you can see, the water is very deep, which is typical of marshes. We also have aquatic vegetation. Earlier in our video, as we entered, we saw that there are water lilies that are floating on the surface of the waters, and these are classified as plants, as marsh plants, specifically marsh plants. We also have a bird habitat, as you can see here. We also have bird habitats like ducks and water birds that are present, which thrive in marsh ecosystems. Okay, we also have few large trees inside. We have few large trees that are inside the water, unlike swamps that are dominated by woody trees in the water. This wetland specifically has mostly grasses, shrubs and aquatic plants along the edges, as you can see, with trees only around the banks. So this is why we consider this wetland as a marsh. Today we are here to view this wetland. As we know, we have different kinds of wetlands, different types of wetlands, most precisely. We have marshes, we have swamps, we have bogs, we have fens, we have mangroves, and also others called the prairie holes. So today, as we are looking at this wetland, we consider this wetland as a marsh. So now you must be asking yourself, why do we consider this wetland as a marsh? This wetland is considered as a marsh because, number one, it has shallow standing water. As you can see, the water is very deep, typical of marshes. Aquatic vegetation as well. Earlier in our video, as we started our video, we noticed that there were water lilies floating on the surface, and this is where we classify this as a marsh. Now I want you to introduce you to new terms that we are dealing with in our assignment. The first term that we are going to be looking at is hydrology. You must be wondering, what is hydrology? Hydrology is the study of the water cycle. We look at how water evaporates, it forms clouds, how it falls as rain, snow, and flows into the river, soaks into the ground, and returns back into the oceans. So there are different types of aspects in hydrology. Mainly we have the occurrence of water, we have the movement of water, and we also have the quality of water and human use and impacts of water. So there are also different kinds of branches in hydrology. Mainly that we're going to be looking at is the surface water hydrology, which is mainly found in rivers, lakes and wetlands specifically. So in this wetland, the hydrology is as follows. Surface water presence. We're looking at surface water presence. The wetland contains a visible pond or small water body, which is the central hydrological feature in this wetland. This surface water Botanic Garden is located in the Durban city, KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. It is located in the western part of the the type of soils that are found in the Botanic Garden are the hydraulic soils, the organic soils, and mineral wetland soils. So what are organic soils? So the organic soils contain large amount of decomposed plants, giving them a dark, almost black color. Moving to mineral wetland soils. Mineral wetland soils composed of sand, silt, decay, with some organic matter mixed in. We have got three types of different species. The first one, we have the native species. Second one, we have the alien species, and lastly we have the alien invasive species. So what is a native species? Native species are plants or animals that naturally live in a place they were not brought by people. So for an example, this plant
This plant is an example of a native species, and it is called the Coccoloba uvifera. Coccoloba uvifera. So we also have alien invasive species. So what are alien invasive species? Alien invasive species are plants or animals or other organisms that come from different region or country and spread in a new environment. For an example, this plant, nymphoids, is an example of an alien invasive species. So we also have an alien species. What are alien species? Alien species are plants or animals that do not come from the place where they are found.
Okay, this wetland is very, very important because it gives home to animals like fish, birds, and plants. It also helps to clean dirty water, and it's also kept rainy water from flooding. People enjoy visiting it and learn more about the nature, as you can see here. There are some other serious problems that it can cause. Here we found some big mosquitoes, which will spread sickness to people living in this area.
I'm here to talk about SDGs relevant in this wetland. Okay, we're going to focus on wetland are the one of the ecosystems that has where many SDGs overlaps or interact. Since wetlands provide food, provide water, and provide biodiversity, also provide climate regulation. Their protection and sustainability used directly to connect several goals.
A wetland is very important because it is a safe home for many animals, birds, and plants. It helps clean the water by filtering out dirt and waste. It's also store rainwater.
Here I'm just going to give you a pamphlet. This is our awareness that we are striking in the community, how we conserve wetlands. Oh yes, yes. This is the wetland that we have here. Okay. So we prevent pollution. Wetlands help prevent pollution. There's sustainable use resources, protect wetlands and vegetation, and so on and so forth. So we are striking to awareness that do not pollute, not destroy, always restore.
Oh wow.
Thank you. This is for you.
You're doing a good job.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.